Miss Erica, do you have something to say before we start?
Yes, tita, no, we can definitely start, no. Sobrang exciting talaga yung event natin ngayon, no, kasi today, no, we will be able to learn ano ba yung pinaka-basic natin dito sa business, tita. Tita, can you share naman sa mga tao dito sa room, no, when you were starting, ano ba yung mga nangyari sa inyo?
Okay, sure, mentor. So when I started joining USANA, that was in 2020. So pag-start ko noon in July, after ko nag-join, kailangan talaga mag-attend ng NDO. Ang NDO is a New Distributors Orientation. Why? Kasi ito is very important para ma-learn natin kung paano talaga gawin yung business. So, kasi itong negosyo na to is very helpful. Pwede mong gawin na part-time. Kagaya ko, I just do it part-time kasi nagtrabaho din ako dito. So, kahit na ba, Miss Erica, may i-share ka ba? Or diretso na tayo? Okay, so for the topic for today is the new distributors orientation. Is to discover effective methods to kickstart your business and establish objective with a strategic mindset. So our speaker for today is computer engineer, tennis athlete, premier platinum
Recording in
pace
progress.
setter, executive two-star diamond director, 2022 top 2 income earner in the Philippines, 2017 top 1 growth Philippines, executive Diamond Summit Peru qualifier, Dennis Whitley Leadership Awardee, multiple travel incentive qualifier, million peso earner, Team Frontier co-founder. So please help me welcome. So blessed tayo guys ngayon kasi ito siya ang pinaka-leader din namin sa Frontier. So please help me welcome our speaker for today, no other than Mentor Rads Sugi. Please give him a round of applause. Virtual round of applause.
Hello, hi guys. And thank you, Miss Ermi.
You're welcome, Mentor.
Hello, mentor. Good morning.
Okay, so good morning and I think good evening. Right, so ayan. So magulo pala pag lahat naka-unmute, pero sige, go lang. Ayan, okay lang yan. Ayan, just pag nag-start na tayo, wag na mag-unmute. Kasi usually I forget things. So in the middle of it, if I forget things, so ulit ako sa start. Diba? So baka abutin tayo ng mga 5 hours. Ayan. So, but good morning to everyone. Ayun, thank you for the sharing, no. So, I think marami dito mga bago and I'm seeing here, we have a Ruby director, Mentor Ton Riario. Okay, so I'm seeing some familiar faces. Of course, we have Mentor Deus, Ruby director din. So, this is a
Morning,
millionaire group.
mentor.
Okay. So, all right. So, first of all, can I see first the names or can you type one if it's your first NDO? No, or kung 1 month ka pa lang sa USANA, can you type 1? Okay, si Pearl, si Dennis Alutaya. Okay, so welcome again. All right. So siguro first in a long time maybe with me. Okay. Faith, all right. So Okay, so madami rin mga first time, okay. So basically, if you're first time listening to an NDO, you're probably the one who's excited but still confused. Di ba? Parang ano tong pinasok mo? Should I take it seriously? What should I do? Why did I join? Ba't ako nagpa-utos na nag-invite sa akin? Na-pressure ako to join or whatever the reason. Di ba? But, you're here. Right? So, congratulations. So, for me, just to give you a little background, so I'm Mentor Raj. I joined Usana 15 years ago. Right? So, I speak Tagalog. By the way, no, disclaimer na, I speak Tagalog kasi I was born in Philippines. So, I'm third generation Indian sa Philippines. But I go to India, so I also speak Hindi. Ayan. So, kasi usually, sometimes after the NDO, nagtatagalog pala siya. So, ayan. So, para may background na kung bakit. Okay. So, yeah, so I joined Usana 15 years ago. I was a student, third year college, taking up computer engineering. It wasn't a plan to, start this business. It's just that meron nag-invite, katulad nyo, pumunta ako, ayoko nung una, pero napilit akong mag-start ng business kasi nga wala na mawawala, bibili ka lang ng vitamins. Everything to gain, nothing to lose. There's no risk at all involved. Diba yung mga nag-iisip minsan, pag-iisipan ko muna to. Parang in the end, para ka lang pumunta ng healthy options at kumuha ka ng enough para may membership ka. That's it. Diba? But here, you have a bonus business. So, okay, madali lang mag-join. Tama? Dali lang naman, bibili ka lang naman. So, join ka na. Ngayon, the next question is, gagawin mo ba? Right? So, even for me, yun yung question ko, gagawin ko ba siya? Parang, pwede namang hindi. Okay naman yung buhay ko. Di ba? I'm getting by. So, ang gagawin ko sa vitamins na to, paano ko yayaman? Di ba? Kung hawak-hawak mo yung vitamins na yan. So, after 4 weeks of being in Usana, so ako personally, I was gonna quit. Right? So, kung meron kayong napaisip dito na, ay, tigil ko na kaya to. It's easy to think kasi nga, bawi ka naman na sa Usana when you bought the product. So, iniisip ko yun. But unfortunately or fortunately, napa-attend ako ng training. Nag-attend ako ng training. I was like, wow, ang ganda pala ng Usana. And because of that, napastay ako. And because of that, napahit ako ng PVPS. And because of that, nag-$100. And eventually, attend more trainings, nag-$200. Attended more trainings, nag-$600. I kept doing it, nag-$1,000. Diba? And nakakainis, imagine umabot na ng mga $6,000-$7,000. Diba? So nakakainis talaga yung training na yan. So sa mga ayaw kumita ng mga $6,000-$7,000 a week, diba? Mga $30,000 a month, diba? Pwede na po mag-leave ng Zoom. Diba? Kasi minsan nakakainis yon later on. Kasi ang problem mo doon, kung saan ko ubusin to every week, meron ka kung $7,000, $8,000, $10,000. Diba? Problema yon. Okay? So meron tayong 5 seconds to leave this Zoom. Okay? Meron bang gusto mag-leave? Diba? Kasi baka kumita tayo. Alright. So, wala naman, dumagdag pa tayo ng dalawa. Okay, so walang magli-leave. Great. So, paki-lock in na ang room, wala nang lalabas. So, let's start. Okay. Okay, let me share my screen there. So, like every one of you, in-invite kayo sa Usana. So, sa akin din naman, may nag-invite. Okay. So, si Mentor Deus, pansin ko, parang lagi na lang nasa outing eh. By the way, ako, nabaliw na baliw kay Mentor Deus eh. Kahapon lang kasama ko sa Enterprise. Ngayon, para siyang nasa resort na naman. Diba? Parang, yan ang lifestyle. Diba? Last year, kakagali lang na Malaysia. Tapos, kung ano nung countries pa. So, ang dami pa niyang plano puntahan. Okay, so yun yung mga problema later on, guys. Saan magbabakasyon. Okay. So, anyway, so nag-invite sa akin was si Mentor Natsunyo. So, invite kami ni Mentor Ryan. And he was a room boy attendant. Kung hindi na pa siya kilala, guys, kailangan kilala siya. Siya ang pinaka-apply natin. He is the guy who is inspiring the world, no, not just Philippines. So, room boy, bellboy, in short, Shangri-La Hotel, joined Usana, inutang lang yung pang Usana. So, ako naman, di ba parang, sige, mag-join naman ako sa Usana, hindi lang naman sa kanya. So, nag-join ako. Right? Siya yung nagturo sa amin paano gawin yung Usana. In 8 months, he was a gold director. Meaning 8 months later, he was earning 200,000. Right? So isipin mo, yung products na hawak mo ngayon, products lang yan. Yung business na pinasok mo, huge opportunity. Unless you really work on it. Opportunity lang siya. So this guy really worked on it. 8 months later, he was earning 200,000. Ako, I was earning, kami ni Mentor Ryan was like $100, $200. So mga 20,000. So malayo. So bakit yung isang room boy attendant kumita ng 200,000 and kami hindi? Siguro kasi one thing was, hindi kami sanay mag-attend ng trainings. Alam mo, excuse na excuse minsan. Ay, kasi busy. Kasi ganyan. So siguro sa kanya, busy ka, o magpapayaman na ako, saka ka na lang. Di ba? Kasi busy ka eh. Di ba? Busy ka sa mga maliliit na bagay. Busy ako, ewan ko, may outing, may busy. Alam mo, ang daming mga stuff. So parang, sige, later on ka na lang. So na-realize ko, wait, in 8 months, sana yun na rin pala yung income ko. Sineryoso na namin. So a year after that, yun, nagko-director na. And eventually, because of this guy, there. So eventually, because of this guy, naging part ng $1 million club. Right? So imagine, pwede ka pala kumita ng $1 million in USANA. And para maging $1 million club ka kasi, that has to be less than 10 years na kumita ka ng $1 million. So hindi to sales na 1 million, ito yung commissions mo. Dapat na $1 million. Pwede na ba yan, guys? Sino gusto ng $1 million? Type mo, 1 million. And dollars. Diba? Kasi baka hindi dollars eh. Baka rupiah, baka iba yung nakuha eh. Diba? Baka Zimbabwe dollars. Yan. So, $1 million. Great, no? So, for me, what happened, hindi naman siya super bilis. So, when I was doing this part-time, ang income ko lang was this, about, yan, kung nakita niyo, $100 a week. Right? So, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, mga ganyan. Ito, 9,000, ito yung $200 a week. So, tinuloy ko siya. Never ako nag $1,000 that year, pero nag-total lang 500,000. So, sinong pwede na? Extra 500,000. Right? Kung extra mo lang naman siya, diba, on your first year. So, yan, si Faith, parang magaganon na sana. Parang, hindi, masyado mababa. Okay, I want more. Okay, right? So, on the first year, so for me, it was, I was happy with it. Following year, sineryoso ko lalo. Ano nangyari? Umabot siya ng 1.7. Ito malupit. Nagdagdag ba ng capital? Hindi. Kasi one business center mo can create for you, can generate 2.4 million, 2.4 to 2.6 million. Yung one business center lang. So, hindi ko pa na-maximize yung one nito. Right? So, I bought my first car. Hindi siya sports car, but it's just, at least nabili ko sa money ko. I was still a student. The year I graduated, umabot na siya ng 2.6. So, hindi na ako nag-work. So, I had the option of not to work. Yun yung habol natin. It's all about the options. Right? It's not na ayaw mo mag-work siguro. Or baka nga ayaw mo na. Sino ba excited pumasok sa work bukas? Type 1. Or type 2 if you're excited to go to work tomorrow. Diba? Type 3 if you're not excited to go to work tomorrow. Okay. So, most people hindi naman eh. Diba? Parang you have to go to work because you have to. Right? It's not really because I'm gonna, yes, mag-FX ako bukas. Yes, mag-commute ako. Yes, I'm gonna work with my boss. Usually, that's not the case. Diba? 99% of the time, that's not the case. Unless you're the boss. Right? So, tinuloy ko yung USANA. Eventually, bought my second car. Ito, hindi to alam ng parents ko. Bumili lang ako kasi nga, nainggit ako. Yung guy sa likod, downline ko, bumili siya. Sabi ko, gusto ko din. Diba? So, hindi to kailangan, no? Yung mga ganitong bagay. But then, again, I was 28. So, these are the things I like. So, it's up to you. USANA will give you the money. It's up to you what you want to do with it. Pero at least the point again is meron kang freedom. Meron kang option to do what you want. And that's all we want. Diba sinasabi sa USANA, there's time freedom, health and freedom presentation. Pero freedom to do what? Diba? Freedom to choose, number one, how much you want to work. Diba? Freedom to choose who you want to work with. Kasi sa work, wala kang choice eh. Diba? Parang ayun na yung, diba, teammates mo, yan na yun. Sa USANA, diba, ikaw namimili sino i-invite mo. Sinong gusto mong teammates, right? Ikaw yung mamimili anong oras ka mag-work. Ikaw mamimili saan ka mag-build ng USANA business. So you have the freedom 100% to do what you want. Right? How many people you want to help? How many lives you want to change? Parang ikaw may hawak ng lahat. Right? So eventually, tinuloy, di ba? And lumaki ng lumaki, di ba? Mas maraming mga kumikita. Eventually, nag-travel na na dati parang yan, nakapag-travel, pero ngayon at least sagot ko na lahat. Di ba, hindi na yung parents ko. So, the small things, right? Yun yung masaya. So, ang dami natin mga stories, tax to riches, diba, security guard sa Singapore, ngayon kumikita ng what, $8,000? So, ang dami natin associates from Singapore, nakauwi na ng Philippines. Marami tayong si Mentor, o mali yung name, no? Pero si Mentor Rich, okay, he's one of our, rookie of the year. Sabihin, kumita ng pinakamalaking kinita sa buong Asia Pacific. Ganun kalupit ang USANA Philippines. Right? We have mga teachers, mga dean, mga associate professors, mga accountants, ang dami, mga iba-ibang backgrounds, business owners. So many people doing USANA na hindi mo na kailangan isipin, ano ba yung background ko? Do I fit in this? Right? Kasi hindi ka naman tinanong how much, ano yung background mo when you started. Right? So you do definitely fit. Ngayon, we're just going to talk about how to do it. Okay, what do you need to do? And ito muna, yung pinaka-important part. Is it worth it? Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so for everyone, again, welcome to the USANA family. Okay, you definitely made the right decision, right, to start. Diba sabi nga dito, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you're not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. Usually mga Chinese ganun eh. Mga Indians ganun din. Parang, may kikitain ba tayo dyan? Meron. O sige, tara. Kasi yung pag-aaralan, when you start a business naman, it's a lifetime of learning. Diba? Improve and improve and improve your business. Wala namang, pag-aralan ko muna yung negosyo ng 10 taon, saka ako magsisimula. Diba? Walang ganon. It's just that, uy, maganda to, simulan na natin. So, you started great. Ngayon, let's go down to a little bit of goals. Okay. Dito ngayon papasok, guys. Yung gagawin ko ba talaga to or hindi? I'll help you decide. Okay lang? I'll help you decide if you should do it or you should not do it. Okay. So, for me, since I was 21, ito yung mga goals ko. Nagsulat lang ako. Okay. Most of the people wala nito. People have goals, very vague goals, which is, gusto ko yumaman. Lahat naman ng mundo gusto yumaman. Sino ba nagsabing gusto ko maging mahirap? Wala naman. Tama? So, lahat ng tao saying, I want to be happy. Great. I want to buy a house. Diba? Lahat naman yan eh. Pero when you say goals, it has to be a little specific and written down. Okay, so if I'll give you an assignment for today, okay, just two basically. So first would be this. Okay, write down your goals. Okay, so pwede niyong kopyahin or get a pattern of what I did. So, ang goal ko, first one, number one, pag-graduate is I wanted to buy a condo. Kasi I was a student. So, ano to goals to na pang student. Okay. So, condo, 5 million. 1 bedroom. Okay na ako dyan. Next goal ko was a car. Diba? 2 million. Bakit? Siguro at least Fortuner. 10-year goal to eh. Hindi naman to yung gusto ko agad following year. Pagka-graduate ko, walang USANA to ha. Pagka-graduate ko, after 10 years, I wanted a condo, may at least isang Fortuner, and siguro 2 million na savings. Okay. Kasi pag ang savings 50,000, hindi yun, kulang yung pang-emergency. Ano lang yun, pag nasira phone mo, bili ka ng bago. Yun na yun. Yun na yung pinakamagandang emergency na pwedeng bigay ng 50K. Hindi pa iPhone yun. Mag-downgrade ka pa. Right? So, if may knock on wood, may ng hospital, kulang ang 50K. So, that's not really enough for savings. So, ang goal ko was 9 million total. Okay, pwede na. Okay? Sabi ko, kaya ko ba yan? Gano'ng katagal? So, I computed. So, magkano ba ang kaya i-save? Diba? For all of your friends. So, isipin nyo to for you, and I know there are people from from US. Sabi ko, mag-save ako 10,000 pesos a month. And para makasave ka ng 10,000 naman, siguro ang sweldo mo, mga 30 to 40 siguro. Para makasave ka ng 10K and you're single. So that's 120 a year, 1.2 million in 10 years. So ang problem dyan, maganda ang 1.2 million. Ito guys isipin nyo yung mga friends nyo. If they had 1 million savings, ano isipin nyo? Grabe, ang yaman ko, ang galing ko, meron ako 1 million savings. Tama? In 10 years. Cool naman talaga siya. It's not bad. It's cool to have 1 million. But When you have goals written down, it's not so cool anymore. Bakit? What was the goal? 9. So basically, you fail. Right? That's the problem. Pag alam mo yung attitude na happy-go-lucky. Di ba? Happy-go-lucky usually, para sige, bahala na. So ito yung bahala na. At least may 1 million ako. Pero hindi naman yun ang pangarap eh. Ang nangyayari, nag-a-adjust yung pangarap. Depende sa sweldo. Ako, ayokong mag-adjust yung pangarap. Ang gusto ko mag-adjust yung effort ko. Does that make sense? So sabi ko, hindi bale, gagalingan ko. Kasi alam mo, isang beses ka na nga lang mabubuhay eh. Galingan mo naman. Diba? Huwag yung pwede na to. Right? So, alam mo, until you're here on earth, do the best you can. So what if you save 20,000 a month? What is 2.4 million in a year? Sorry, in 10 years. Kulang pa din. Right? Paano kung, sige, galingan mo ng todo, ang sweldo mo 100,000. Di ba usually, wow, 6 digits ang income. Guys, alam nyo ngayon, wala nang kwenta ang 100,000. Right? It's hindi sa minamaliit ko yung mga taong kumikita ng 100,000. Totoo lang. Right? Groceries pa lang, para kung dati ang monthly, may kausap ako, sabi na dati ang monthly groceries namin 20K, ngayon mabot na ng 50K. And that's true. Kasi lahat tumaas yung prices eh. So if you're earning 100K, ang take home mo dyan around 70. So out of 70, gastos ka ng 30, siguro save ka ng 40 kung kaya. Still, that's 4.8 million in 10 years. So, in short, alam ko na, nung na-compute ko, alam ko na hindi ko ito makuha. Tama mali. Na-compute ko na eh. And ilang taon na ako, if bago ko mag-start kumita ng 100,000, usually 30 plus na. So, best case scenario, di ba, by 40 or 50 years old siguro, times 2 nito, hindi meron na akong 9.6. Great. At 50 years old. Pero hindi naman yun ang pangarap ng estudyante lang yun eh. Ang real goals looks like this. House and lot. Hindi naman condo lang. Magkano ang house and lot na maganda? At least 15 million, 20 million. Kaya ang assignment is write down what you want. Huwag niyong isipin. When you make down goals, don't think of ano yung kaya mo ngayon. Just write down what you want. Forget what your income is. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo lang? Okay. So if it's a house, search mo, magkano ang house? Gusto mo ba may pool? Magkano yan? Okay. Car, bakit 5M? At least dalawang Fortuner na lang. Pang-coding, di ba? Usually ganyan. Savings, na at least 10 million. Alam mo yung pag 50 ka na, pero kung 10 million savings. Di ba? So kung may 10 million savings ka, mawalan ka ng work, di ka kinakabahan. Right? Okay lang. Di ba? Buhay ka pa din. For education, di ba? For kids, magkano? 2 million. At least, for tuition fee lang to. Education pala. Right? Wala pa yung allowance and everything. Per child, di ba? Yun yung mga kailangan mo. So total, mga 32 million. That's what you need. Right? So again, if you compute, kahit 20 years yan, hindi yan naabot. Mag-save ka ng 40K a month, 50K a month. So doon ako na-depress. Parang, shit, I'm never gonna get what I want. So that's why when I saw you sana, sabi ko, sige, mukhang kaya dito. Right? Gawin ko. Okay? So nangyari, di ba, babalik ako, magkano yung income ko nung first 4 years ko sa USANA. Kasi ito, this was 2.6. Year after was 3 point something. So parang in 5 years, umabot na siya ng 6 or 7M. Right? So yung goal ko na 9 million, di ba, in 5 years, nakuha ko na yung 7. Following year, so in 6 years, na-complete ko na yung 9. Di ba? Or less than 6 years, nakuha ko na yung 9. Right? So again, it's about, kung hindi siya kaya sa current na ginagawa mo, itagdag na. Okay. So kasi kung student ng gawa, definitely you can do this. Kasi bakit? Ito we're focusing here mostly kasi people focus on needs. Tama naman yon. Kasi problema ng mga tao yung bills, mortgage, di ba? Yung food, groceries, lahat yun naman ng problem eh. So wala nang oras sa dreams. Bakit? Problema Pagkain, rent, damit, loans. So iisipin mo pa ba yung mga dream house, beach house? Diba, you don't have time for that. Mukha na siyang fairy tale. And that's where the fairy tale starts with Usana. Diba na, ay, pwede na pala. While I have my main work that's giving my needs, ang Usana, guys, is for your dreams. Right? So you have to have that differentiation. Hindi ito pang bayad lang ng bills. Ito yung pambili mo ng dream house mo. Ito yung pang retirement mo. Okay? So, kailangan clear ka doon. So, definitely, write down your goals. Diba? If it's not written down, tatamarin ka pag negosyo. Kasi ito na yung pinakamadaling negosyo na pwede mo gawin. Okay? So, kayo mga tao, syempre, they wanna earn more. So, anong ginagawa? Ano bang options? Ang options usually sa employment, ma-promote. Pero ang problem with promotion, great, but hindi mo naman hawak yung promotion. What if kailangan mo na extra 20K next month? Anong gagawin? Utang yun. Kasi si boss, di ka naman bibigyan ng promotion bigla. Right? And kailangan medyo may connections ka, may experience ka, mag-masters ka, yung attitude ko, grabe, yung bait-bait. Kahit bad trip ka sa boss mo, yes boss, good morning. Kahit nag-away kayo sa bahay, whatever the problem, when you go to work, you have to be at the top of your attitude. Otherwise, pwede kataling ka. Right? So, ang ganda na ng attitude natin sa work. Pag nilagay mo yan sa iyo sana, ay grabe. You're really gonna be one of the richest. Right? Hindi mo magiging problema yung pera. May nagsabi sa akin, hindi naman puro pera ang kailangan. Diba? And meron din nagsabing speaker, sabi niya, money is not the most important thing. It's just second to oxygen. Tama? Kasi pag wala kang pera, wala na magagawa. Right? Kung ayaw mo ng maraming pera, kumita ka na marami, hindi mo naman kailangan, anong pwede mong gawin? I-donate mo. Di marami ka pa natulungan. Tama? So when you're successful, ang daming options. Kaya freedom to do a lot of things. Ngayon kung hindi employment, anong ibang option? You work abroad. Right? Why do people leave Philippines? Ang sarap kaya ng buhay sa Philippines. Kahit mainit ngayon dito. Diba? Everyone's complaining it's 50 degrees, 51 degrees. Yeah, but life is still good in Philippines. Diba? Dito, diba, you're comfortable. You can do whatever you want. Hindi mo kailangan ng second job, third job, fourth job. Diba? Hindi puro work lang nangyayari. Life is good. Life is fun. So, pero dito, gagastos ka rin. Diba? I know a lot of people, syempre, we have a lot of teammates sa Middle East. Yung nagulat ako, parang ang ganda yung sweldo nila, pero hindi sila makauwi ng Philippines. Kasi nga, maganda yung sweldo nila. So parang it's a trap na, yeah, I'm earning good. At least I'll set, alam mo yung people are so, syempre, you want to help your family, so you send money back sa Philippines. Pero for yourself, you don't really want it there. Diba? Pero people would sacrifice for their family members. So that's all good. Pero until when? Diba? While you're young, it's all good and great. Pero when you reach 50s and 60s, parang, wait, I shouldn't be doing this anymore. What's the plan? Right? So that's where you sana comes in. Kasi hindi tayo pwedeng nandito sa employment lang lagi. Right? That's where the poor people are. Diba? According to Robert Kiyosaki, huwag kayo magalit sa akin. Yabang naman ito, mga empleyado kami lahat. Hindi, si Robert Kiyosaki nagsabi nun. So, but it's true. Kasi you're exchanging time for money. Tama ba? The more you get promoted, the more time you need to give, the more money you get. Pero hanggang kailan? How much time can you give? Eventually, magkakasakit na din. Kasi stress ng stress, okay lang kung 1 week lang. 30 years of stress, diba? It's gonna take a toll on your body. So, you have to leave employment. Some people go for self-employed. Ito yung magagaling na architect, magaling kang doctor, magaling kang designer. Diba? Pero again, ikaw lang din yung magaling. Right. So we go ngayon sa business. Dito daw yung maraming pera at saka investment. Bakit? Sa business, hindi kailangan ikaw yung pinakamagaling. Bakit? Yung system, yung system, that's the key word. The system is what makes money. Para ka nag-franchise. Pag nag-franchise ka, may sistema na eh. Diba? Sistema yung mag-a-attract. May marketing na sila, meron na silang product. Diba? Pag maganda yung franchise mo, tuloy-tuloy siya. Sa iyo sana, it's a system. Imagine, kung sino man nagpa-join sa'yo, kung bago lang yan. Kung bago yan, hindi yan marunong mag-training, magbigay ng training. So anong ginagawa niya? Sabi niya, uy, mag-attend ka nitong training na to. Magaling yung speaker na yan. Right? So, nag-attend ka na lang. Ang tawag doon, system. Ngayon, tuturo sa'yo anong gagawin. So, hindi mo na kailangan isipin anong gagawin. Gagawin mo na lang yung sinabing gagawin. Right? So, there's a system on how to do things. And then, so the last thing naman is investment. Most people, syempre, na-attract masyado sa investment. Kaya maraming naloko ng pandemic. Diba? Invest sa stocks, invest sa crypto, invest sa ganyan. Okay lang naman yon. Pero ang ginawa ng mga tao, they were too greedy. Anong ginawa nila? Yung iba, lahat ng pera nila ininvest nila. Hindi. Di ba dapat nga 20%? Kasi ang gusto ng mga tao, quick money. Kaya lahat ng pera lagay na natin. Sige, ganito kumita o lahat ng pera, may iba nagsangla pa nga ng bahay, kung ano-ano, nilagay sa crypto, nawala. Kasi ayaw nilang dito sa business na hard work. In short, gusto quick money. Kaya investment na lang. Ang problem sa investment, ito lang. It's not that people don't make money in investment. It's just that it's somehow like gambling. Kasi hindi mo hawak anong mangyayari. You can read about it. Diba? You can have an educated guess about things. Diba? Kaya nga prediction yun lahat eh. Diba? Yung mga up and down na graph. So, okay ang investment after the business. Kasi yung extra money from business at gagawin mo. May bahay ka na, may kotse ka na, okay ka na. E di invest mo na. Right? So, kailangan marami kang pang-invest. Right? Ayun. Kaya that's where Usana now comes in. Yung traditional business kasi. Ito pa isang option ng mga tao pala. Traditional business. Nothing wrong with that. Okay? It's good to do business. It's just that pag nag-traditional business ka, kailangan full-time. Hindi naman pwedeng bukas ang tindahan mo after work. Or hindi mo naman monitor yung mga supervisor mo, yung mga tao mo. Hindi pwede yun. So restaurant, millions yan. Coffee shop, million yan. Apartments, okay naman, 15 million. Bili, alam mo yan, 10-door apartment. Great. Diba? Bili ka ng tatlong tig 5 million na condos. Diba? Pwede yan. 25 million, 5 condos. Paparent mo for like, 20, 30,000, 40,000. So even if ito apartment, let's say parent mo for 10,000 a month, 10 yan. Diba? That's 100,000 a month. 1.2 million a year. Right? So kahit 1.2 million a year, never ka nawalan ng tenant. Diba? That still takes 10 years. 10 years, tama mali, for return of investment. Kung hindi ka pa magpa-renovate, hindi ka pa magbabayad na, syempre may taxes pa. Kasi pa every time maalis ang tenant, renovate mo yan. Alam mo yan? So may expenses pa din, definitely. Pero if everything goes well, your 15 million is returned back to you. Returned pala in 10 years. Okay? Then you start earning. And gets nyo, okay lang. There's nothing wrong with that. Tuloy-tuloy yung income if you have extra. Right? So ako wala. So sabi ko, Usana is the best. Bakit? Kasi dito nga, meron ka ng system. Part-time, pwede ko nang gawin. Very small capital. It's gonna teach me how to do it. I don't have to guess. I don't have to think. So you have to be just willing to learn. Lahat ba dito willing to learn? May tamang attitude. So can you type L if you're willing to learn? Okay. So, syempre important yun. Diba? So you have to empty your cup. Lahat ng alam mo, kalimutan mo. Alam ko we're all good here at our different work and background. Lahat naman magagaling. It's just that, pag nasa Usana ka na, iba na. For example, ako, I'm very good at what I do. Sana, I could say that. Pero, if I start a restaurant business, that's another business entirely. Kailangan ko ng mentor. E paano ko yung magaling sa restaurant business, mag-open ng construction business? Kailangan din niya ng construction mentor. Kasi magkakaiba ang ginagawa. Negosyo, oo. Principles are the same. Willing to learn, humble, alam mo yan, open mind, diba? To learn new things. Pero, kailangan mo ng bagong skills. So, sa'yo sana, same thing. Maganda nga lang, part-time, pwede mo na. So, yung income ko na 4 million in 3 years, that was part-time. So, definitely kaya-kaya. Okay. So, ngayon, bakit Usana? So, dami-dami ng companies out there. And I'm sure marami na kayo na rin companies. Bakit ito? Number one, ito na yung best. Okay, how could I say? Not because I'm just in Usana. I'm very skeptic as a person. Nakikinig ako lagi. Pero at the back of my head, I always had, talaga bang ganda ni Usana? Totoo ba talaga to? Habang ginagawa ko siya. Pero in 15 years of doing Usana, guys, it's really a very, very good business. One of the best businesses. Okay. So, as a company, we've never opened sa kahit anong country na hindi na nagsara tayo. Every country nag-open tayo. Hindi tayo expand. 100 countries, hindi. Imagine, 25 countries pa lang tayo. Why? Because whenever we open in a country, right, the company is there to support, to build that country. Right? Hindi siya yung, sige, maraming pera lang. Tama? Kasi mas gusto natin yung steady growth. Kaysa yung biglang boom, tapos pagsak. Alam mo yung parang pag ganun, hindi. Right? So, we're in an industry right now, in direct selling industry. Right, guys, it's gonna beat even yung pharmaceutical industry, yung wellness, it's gonna beat the pharmaceutical industry. Bakit? Kasi mga tao ngayon, they know na ayaw na nilang magkasakit. Na pag once magkasakit ka, ginagawa lang ng gamot is take care of your symptoms. Hindi ka naman talaga papagalingin. People are aware. So, grabe na yung awareness because of internet, TikTok, YouTube. So, people are always, anong herbal na pwede ko take? Kaya super booming yun sana. Kahapon lang may kausap ako na associate. Sabi niya, nakuha ko yung product ko kahapon, nag-take ako. Alam mo, totoo, ang sarap ng tulog ko. Diba? So, whenever I hear that, I feel good. Kasi in-introduce ko yan sa kanya. Yun yung feeling niya. Doon pa lang panalo na eh. Meron ako associate, sabi ko, okay lang, medyo pressure sa'yo sana, pero masaya. Sabi niya, hindi, I'm really enjoying this. Kasi 1 month pa lang, hindi na ako gumagamit ng glasses pa nagbabasa. And she's, what, 50, in her 50s? Sabi ko, wow, that's priceless. Can't put a price on that na gumanda yung vision mo. Kasi kahit optometrist, guys, don't believe me. Go to your optometrist. Tanungin mo, Doc, pwede pa ba bumaba ang grado ng mata ko? Sabihin niya hindi. Yan na yan, i-maintain mo na lang. Sabihin niya hindi. Bakit? Pag nag-take ng Usana, bumaba. Right? Kasi the thing is, your cells are very smart. Matalino naman ang cells mo eh. Alam niya kung anong kailangan niya para mag-improve siya. Hindi lang nakuha yung tamang. Right? Pag binigyan mo, edi masaya siya, gagawin niya na yung trabaho. Diba? When you're in direct selling, hindi mo na problema yung mga headache ng traditional business ownership. Diba? Yung accounting, hindi mo problema. Parang tatanong sa amin, Mentor Ryan, parang, oh, grabe naman yung office nyo, nag-renta kayo sa enterprise. Sabi ko, hindi kami nag-renta niyan, yung corporate yan. Tapos yung warehouse nyo sa enterprise. Tapos yung deliveries nyo, DHL. Tapos yung parang, wala na kami pakialam dyan. Sa kanila, ha? What do you mean wala ka nang pakialam dyan? Di ba ikaw yung top earner? Oo, pero hindi ka na problema yan. Sino may problema niyan? Yung corporate. What do you mean? So, di ba, hindi ko problema lahat yung IT. Hindi ko problema yon. Magre-reklamo lang ako, ay sira yung IT, pakiayos. Hindi ko problema yon. Tama? Pag may product na hindi na-deliver, problema niyo ba yon? Hindi, tatawag niyo. Si Usana bahala magpadala. Right? Ang galing. Everything is working. You guys are getting the products. Right? Hindi naman ako nagpa-deliver sa inyo. Pero you're all part of my team. Ang galing, di ba? How it works. So, it's an amazing business. You really have to go for it. Talagang pag-aralan. Right? Kung sa accolades, we're the number one in the Philippines, in Malaysia, in Singapore, in Thailand, we're growing. Okay? So, huge. Parang gusto mo ng certifications, kompleto tayo. Di ba? Consumer Lab, NSF certified. It's crazy how high the quality of the manufacturing is. Di ba? Yung founder pa natin, si Dr. Wentz. Diba? We're the only direct selling company na ang founder is a scientist. Okay? So think about that for a second. We're the only company na founder is a scientist. So hindi siya negosyante sa tagikita. Kasi mayaman na siya before siya nag-open ng Usana. Doon sa laboratories niya. So nag-open siya ng Usana, may purpose. Right? Which is sabi niya, kasi nung bumili siya ng vitamin one time, di ba expertise na cellular research? So cells, papabuhay niya ang cells sa Petri dish for decades. Hindi lang years, no? Hindi lang 1, 2, 3 years. Decades. 10, 20, 30 years. Kahit cancer cell din, mabubuhay. No? Ng tamang nutrition. So, nung bumibili dapat siya ng vitamins para sa kanya naman. Hindi niya pwede inumin yung formulation niya. Para sa Petri dish lang yon. Nung bumili siya, nakita niya yung label. Sabi niya, itong mga vitamins na to, hindi ito enough para mabuhay ang isang cell. Sabi, hindi ko pwede i-take to. Walang kwenta to. Useless to. Para lang siyang placebo. May konting effect, sige. Pero mamamatay pa rin yan pag yan ang pinatakbo sa pet. Right? So, anong ginawa niya? That's why he came up with the Usana. Ginawa niya tablet. And nakita niyo naman yung patent natin. Hindi lang tayo marketing. Patented talaga. Na it works. It's proven. Right? And we have the comparative guide and everything. So, you have to really believe in what you got. What you got in. Believe in your upline. Diba, dinala ka niya dito, may purpose yan. Believe in the team. Believe in the system. May nagtatanong, talaga ba nag-work ang Usana? Sabi ko, 15 years nang yung sana sa Philippines pa lang. Kung dito nag-work, lalaki ba to? May nagtanong, effective ba talaga yung mga scripts, yung system? Magiging number one ba to sa Philippines? Number one direct selling company sa Philippines kung hindi nag-work. Tama? So kaya very important lang na you're willing to absorb all. Okay? So, again, we have athletes. You know, you are sponsored by USANA. So ang dami na natin mga accolades. Tayo mauubos pag inisa-isa natin. Okay? Kaya that's why what you should also do is do your own research. How? Go to the USANA website. Diba? Read about it. Go to yung USANA YouTube page. Diba? Doon pa lang matututo ka na about the products and the business. Okay? Do your own thing. Okay? So, ngayon, punta naman tayo, okay, maganda USANA. Paano ka kikita? Especially if you're new. You're thinking, what do I do next? Okay. So, what do you do next? The first way to earn is very simple. Diba? Retail. Ito na yung pinaka-basic. Bibili mo ng wholesale, tapos retail price. Okay. Ang maganda dito is, ang dami mo na market. Kasi, alam niyo ba, 80% ng Filipinos, adults, Filipino adults, 80% are using supplements. 80% are using supplements. So, hindi mo na sila kailangan i-convince na mag-supplements. Naghahanap lang yan ng quality supplements. Pero, wag ka maging salesman. Okay. So, how do you share? Ako, ganito lang. I share by telling them my experience. Kunyari, you're with a friend. Pwede mo sabihin, kunyari, close friend mo naman. Hey, friend, ano mo ba yung USANA supplement? Tapos dala-dala mo pa. Ito, parang I started using this. Alam mo, sarap ng tulog ko. Alam mo, I felt more energetic. Ngayon pupunta na ako ng work. After ng work, mas may energy pa ako mag-workout. Diba yung friend ko na nag-gym, sabi niya ngayon, kung nagbubuhat ako, sabi niya, 10 years ako nagbubuhat. Ngayon, nakita ko yung difference, nagbubuhat ako, yung joints ko parang mas strong. O pag kinuwento na yun sa mga fellow gym mates niya, tingin mo sila, ay gusto ko yan. Gusto ko maging strong din yung joints ko. Kasi ang heavy ng nililift eh. So don't sell them the product, sell them the effects. Pag ayaw nila, di ba okay lang? Kasi hindi mo naman binentahan. Sinabi mo lang, ito yung effects sa'yo. So be confident lang in sharing. Alright? So yon. Kasi ayaw natin yung mukhang, oh, bili ka sa akin. Bakit? To sell the effects. Okay? Parang may sipon siya, may sakit siya. Oh, parang lagi ka may sakit. Naka-vitamins ka ba? Ako, I'm taking this kaya hindi ako nagkakasakit. Diba? Dapat mag-take ka din. Kasi hindi pwedeng puro pera-pera lang. Parang yung katawan mo. Pag yung katawan mo nawala na, nagkasakit ka, wala ka ng pera. Paano ka papasok sa work? So you have to take care of your body. Right? That's a better messaging than pumili ka ng vitamins. Right? Kailangan alam nila, bakit? Why do I need to take supplements? So, the more you read about USANA, the more you attend training, mas magagamay mo. Kasi sinishare ng mga speakers kung ano yung sinasabi. Okay? So, kasi pag ito lahat ng content ng USANA, pumunta ka ng healthy options para bilhin, abuti kang 300. Kaya nagsabing, mahal to eh. Mas mahal ang healthy options. Nagsasara ba healthy options? Hindi. Right? Pero ito, complete na. 35 pesos. Eh, parang katumbas na yan ng extra rice. So, huwag ka na mag-extra rice kung vitamins ka.
Recording
Right?
in progress.
Yan. So, second way to earn naman is ito yung big income. Okay. This is where you start to build your team. Okay. Why do you want to build your team? Kasi ito na yung system you want to leverage. So ako, wala I was in school, na may class ako, yung associates ko, meron silang guests. So kahit wala akong ginagawa, since may team ako, sila yung may ginagawa, kumikita ka din. So that's why the goal is to create a team. Kasi kung ikaw, kaya mo magbenta, siguro 3 lang, hinaman. Right? 3, 4, 5, yun yung kaya mo siguro hinaman. Kung sige, do more, great. Pero, hindi naman lahat kaya ng madami. Pero, I think lahat kaya ng 3. Gamit ng isa, yung 2, bibenta sa tito, tita, na next month, bili lang ulit. That's doable. And what if you have 100 associates? 100 downlines. Di lahat sila, they're just buying 3 per month. Ilan na yung nabenta mo? Hindi 300 na. Tama? Kasi part yung lahat ng sales mo eh. So, imbes na ikaw mag-isa, nagbenta ng 300. Hirap nun. Mas okay yung lahat, tig-3 na. That's the whole idea. That's what you call leverage. That's what business owners know how to do well. That's why hindi sila yung accountant, hindi rin sila yung supervisor, hindi sila yung manager. They hire. Hindi naman pwedeng sila lahat. Sila yung taga-isip. Tama? That's called leverage. Okay. So how do you earn from here? We build tayo ngayon ng team. Users, resellers, mga business builders. Okay. So create tayo ng team yan. So pwedeng puro users na lang eh. Ang buong team mo, puro gamit lang ng gamit. Parang kami tindahan lang, literally. Di ba? Business builders, kung sila din, naghahanap din sila ng users. So for example, kung meron kang on your left side, let's say may nag-sign up, taga-US na user. Sa ilalim niya, may nag-sign from Philippines. Diba? Tapos sa ilalim niya, may nag-sign up from Canada. Okay lang yan. Yung points ng taga-Canada, aakyat sa seller. Yung points ng seller tsaka business builder, aakyat sa user. Yung points itong tatlo, di ba lahat ng products may points, aakyat yung lahat sa iyo. Right? Sa right side, ganun din. So we're just building your user base or retail base. Diba? That's it. So, example niyan ganito. Ayan, para may animation. So, ganda yung may animation. Let's say, kumuha sila ng 300 points, 500, 500, ganyan. Okay, left and right. So, lahat ng points akit sa'yo. Okay. Ayan. So, sa left side mo, ilan ang points na meron tayo? O mali pa yung computation, di ba? So, dapat 1.3 lang yan, naging 1.5. So, okay. So, kunwari na lang 1.5. Okay. So, 1.5. Sa right side, meron ka namang 1,000. Okay. So, magkano yung income mo? So, weekly ang cut-off. Okay. So, pagdating ng cut-off, kukunin yung small side, times 20%, magkano lalabas? $200. So, meron kong commission na $200 for that week. Not bad. Okay. So, ano mangyari sa remaining points? So, yung hindi mo nagamit na points, okay, pupunta yan next week. Ito, less 1,000 na. Kasi nagamit mo na yung 1,000 sa left side. So, next week, may carry over kang 500 points. Okay, hindi yun nawawala. Tapos, mag-a-add na naman kung may bagong consumer or may bago kang business builder. Basta lahat ng bibili ng product sa ilalim mo. Guys, lahat ng bibili, 100% kahit taga saan pa yan. Aakit sa'yo ang point. Kahit kilala mo, hindi mo kakilala. What if yung tatlo na yun, nagpasok ng tig-tatlo, points mo pa rin. Doon na siya nagiging exciting. Okay. So, ngayon naman, we have di ba, two options. When nung nag-join tayo, sabi, one business center or three. So, yung one business center can create for you, ito, one business center. Okay. Pag may apat kang sign up, yung difference, apat na sign up. Ikaw to, 001, ay yung BC1. Yung sa left mo, let's say may nag-join na dalawa, 500. Sa right mo, dalawang 500. Ang income mo, magkano? $200. Okay, kasi 1,000 points left and right times 20%, 200. Ngayon, what if 3 business centers ka? Yun yung kinuha mo. So same effort, apat na nag-join. Kasi yung BC1, BC2 sa left, BC3 sa right, ikaw lang yan lahat. So yung apat na nag-join, pwede natin i-spread. Magkano ang income? $400. So pag 1 BC ka, $200. Pag 3 BC ka, $400. Okay? So, very important ngayon, ask your upline, ilang points ako nag-join? How do I upgrade? Kasi definitely you want to upgrade. Usana gives you 6 weeks from the time you join to upgrade. Okay, so make sure naka-upgrade ka. Kasi once upgraded ka na, lifetime na yan. So itong one business center, eventually can give you as much as 2.6 million a month. Ito, 3 business center can give you 7 to 8 million a month. Okay, so sa una pa lang, ito na yung kunin mo. Yung 3 business center. Okay? Ayun. Kasi later on, di mo na pwedeng i-build yun. Okay, so ngayon ka lang pwede mapap. Alright. So ano yung first goal natin? Ayun. Okay, i-gets natin, we're gonna build a team. Pero the first goal is this. To hit your Premier Platinum Base Center. PPPS. Yan muna ang goal. Ano to? So this is an additional bonus na binibigay ni Usana. And before, we only had 6 weeks to do this. Pero Usana gives us 8 weeks or 2 months para gawin to. Kasi gusto ni Usana maraming makahit. Okay. So, but usually in about 2 to 4 weeks kaya yan. Okay. Ano lang ba yung nagpapatagal? Ang nagpapatagal minsan, or most of the time, is kung hindi ka pa willing to learn. Hindi ka pa willing to do it. Di ba napapatagal yung doubts? Alam mo, may doubt ka pa. Yung belief mo mababa. Parang talaga bang gagawin ko? Feeling ko ang hirap. Feeling ko ayaw ng mga tao to. Yung adami mong judgment. Di ba, sa mga tao. So, don't be judgmental. So, as long as you give in, you're like, sige, gagawin ko na lang. Dumadali. Okay. So, bakit mo muna gusto po dito? Okay. I always like to give people the reason. Kasi ako, I wanted to know bakit, but important to. Okay. So, ito siya. To start kasi, to get this qualification, kailangan lang meron kang 4 sign-ups in 8 weeks. Okay, 4 lang. Either nag-join sila for the products or the business, doesn't matter. Let's say, yung 4 mo, hindi lang to yung first 4 ha. Lahat ng ipapa-join mo lifetime. Pero yung first 4 is just for you to qualify. Let's say one of your associate kumita ng $400. Yung isa, 600. Yung isa, 200 sa isa. Income nila yan. Masaya sila, great. Pag tinotal mo yan weekly, that's $2,000 income nila. 15% yan, how much? $300 per week. Bonus mo yun. Hindi yun commissions bonus mo yun. Iba pa yun dun sa weekly commissions. Sila to itong 4 na to. Ito, bonus mo. So in a month, so magkano to? Around 60,000 pesos a month. Or 720,000 pesos a year. Pwede na ba yun? Na bonus? Right? And hindi lang yan ngayon. Lahat na ipapajoin mo subsequently. For example, si Mentor RV and Florence, they're one of our Diamond directors. They joined Usana, inutang lang din nila. Si Mentor RV, diba, sabi nga, hindi daw siya nakapasa ng nursing boards. Diba, si Mentor Florence, pumasa naman. So they were working lang before. Si Mentor RV, nag-join agad ng Usana. Muna. Ngayon, imagine, papagawa niya ng bahay sa South Forks. Diba? So because of Usana money, everything. So, nag-join sila 12 years ago. So, 12 years ago, init nila yung PPPS. Tapos, si Mentor Gabe, nag-join, I think about 6 years ago. Okay. So, matagal yung gap no, between nag-join sila Mentor RV, Mentor Gabe. Si Mentor Gabe, naging Ruby Director in 3 years. So, meron silang matching bonus, syempre, 15%. Magkano? Kung titignan nyo, per week, ito, magkano nakuha niya? Roughly, 13,000 a week, 15,000, minsan 21,000, 17,000. So kung magkano ang income ni Gabe, meron silang 15%. So ang tanong, masaya ba sila pag kumikita si Mentor Gabe? Oo naman. Di ba, galingan mo pa, taasan mo pa. O di ba, grabe ang push. Di ba, kaya mo yan. Ang galing-galing mo. Kasi that's what, 60, 70,000 a month? Di ba, 800,000 a year? Paano pag lumaki pa income ni Mentor Gabe? Hindi lalaki pa to. Pwede pa umabot ng 1 million a year. Bonus lang. Bonus pa lang, buhay ka na every year. Tama? So, again, option, choice mo ngayon. Kung hit mo ba yung PPPS or hindi. Tama? Kasi sayang. So ako hinit ko talaga. Okay yung PPPS. Right? So, ngayon, once you're done with that, okay, gagawin ko na yung PPPS. The next goal now is to start, focusing on inviting the people you want to bring into the business. Okay. Ngayon, before you invite, important ito. Okay, you have to know this, na 80% of the business is attitude. Okay, attitude talaga. Okay, what do you mean attitude? Sabi ko, mabait naman akong tao. Okay naman. Pero hindi ganong attitude. Number 1, attitude na, again, paulit-ulit you want. You're willing to unlearn some things. You're willing to submit and sige, I'll just listen. Kasi the easiest way to learn something is find someone who's a master at it. Right? Alam ko, syempre, we have preconceived notions. Like, meron akong associate, nag-MLM na siya before. I'm like, oo, nag-MLM na before. Hindi daw siya kumita. Sabi ko, ang dami kasing factors. Number 1, ginawa mo ba? Baka naman nag-join ka lang. Magkaiba ang nag-join at sa nagnegosyo. Iba yung nagbukas ka ng franchise versus talagang tinrabaho mo, kumita yung franchise. Tama? Number 2, tamang company ba pinasok mo? Right? Number three, pinag-aralan pa yung products nyo, yung negosyo nyo, kung paano ginagawa. So, ang sagot sa lahat was hindi masyado. 1 month lang. Sabi ko, ganito na lang. Ang promise sa'yo, kumita ng 1 milyon. Doable. Pero kung magpapakita ka once a week, possible ba yun? Siyempre hindi. Diba? So, depende sa, ito yung goal mo, yung effort mo, ganun din. Kaya babalik tayo sa kanina, yung first assignment, which is, write down your goals. Right? Ito yung gusto ko, o kaya sa'yo sana, mag-e-effort ka ngayon. Pero kung maliit lang naman yung gusto mo, iti maliit lang din. Para hindi magulo. Marami tao kasi nagugulo. Grabe, araw-araw ako mag-usana. Pwede namang hindi kung gusto mo lang $100 per month. Pero ang gusto mo ng $1,000 per week, hindi araw-arawin mo. Eventually, passive naman. For example, ito. Today is Sunday, kaka-open, di ba? Sunday pa lang.
Recording stopped.
Open, tama yan, recording stop kasi papakita ko. So, okay yan, hindi ako gumawa nun, pero tama. So, ayan, so today it's $2,400, right? Yung income as of today. Kaka-cut off pa lang kahapon.
Recording
So,
in progress.
$1,400. Diba galing to sa yung mga taong nag-order ng clip. Wala pa naman nag-join eh. Right? So, kausap ko nga yung mga associates from Middle East. Sabi ko, tingnan nyo let's say na lang, hinato mo yung yusan. Tapos, hindi ka agad, alam mo yun, it takes you like 5 years. Give it 5 years. 5 years, Ruby Director. Ruby Director is 500,000 pesos a month. Pero huwag ka mag-quit ng work. Tuloy mo. Diba? Kasi you're abroad, you're working, great. Tapos in the next 5 years, yung income mo na yan, kasi buhay ka naman sa needs kasi may work ka. Yung income mo na 500,000, savings mo lang. So that's how much? 6 million a year. Sabi ko, another 5 years mag-work ka pa, tsaka magkano na yung savings mo? 30 million. At saka ka mag-retire. Tsaka ka umuwi ng Philippines. Imagine, umuwi ka ng Philippines sa may 30 million savings. Tapos meron ka pang tuloy-tuloy na 500,000. Right? Nakakabaliw, di ba? Sabi ko, kung 42 years old ka ngayon, by 52, ang yaman mo. Di ba? Healthy ka pa. Tapos hindi ka na-stress. Kasi kung hindi mo gagawin ng Yusana, hanggang 60, magtatrabaho ka. And ito yung malupit. After 60, wala na. Maghahanap ka pa rin. Tama? So ito, kayo mga tao, they're enjoying building the business of Yusana kasi it's theirs. Not your boss doesn't own it. And Yusana doesn't own us. Ikaw ang bahala magkano gusto. Hindi si Dr. Wen. We're partners with you. So that's 80% of the business. Okay. Yung 20%, di ba, yung importante rin sa attitude yung walang reklamo, di ba? Ano ba to? Mag-a-attend na naman ako, di ba? Kasi yung sabi ng mentor ko, yung mareklamo daw, attitude daw yun ang mahirap. Di ba? Sabi ko, parang okay. So, totoo nga naman, di ba? Ang hirap ng buhay, grabe ang gobyerno, di ba? Ang dumi-dumi, ganyan. Parang lahat ng reklamo pwede na ibigay. Pero wala masyadong solution. Di ba? Parang ang init, ang init. Parang totoo naman mainit. Pero pag pag-uusapan yung mainit, wala namang yumaman dahil ang init, ang init. Yaman ka ba kakasabi nun? Hindi. Right? Tingin nyo, pag si Ramon Ang, pag pumunta yan ng meeting, di ba? Pumunta ng meeting, ganyan. Pagbaba niya ng Rolls Royce niya or Benz niya, pagbaba niya, syempre malamig yun, diretso sa hotel, ganyan. Sinasabi pa niya, parang init sa labas, no? Tingin nyo, ganun yung start ng meeting nila. Hindi, sabihin ng mga kasama niya, alam naman natin yun eh. Mainit na talaga. O ano ba negosyo? Ano bang gagawin natin? Di ba, hindi nila pinag-uusapan yung maliliit na bagay na hindi nila control. Hindi naman nila control ang araw eh. Hindi nila control ang weather. Hindi rin nila control ang government. Hindi nila control whatever happens. Control the controllables. Which is, okay. So, 20% is the skill. Okay, so punta tayo sa 20%, tapos na tayo sa 80%. So, anong gagawin mo ngayon? Gawa ka na ng, ito yung second assignment, prospect list. So, make your prospect list. Okay, kasi ito rin ang business plan mo, ito rin ang closing. Di ba may ganito tayo, sama ng package natin sa Usana. Pwedeng dyan or pwedeng sa note. Isulat mo dyan yung top 20 na tao. Okay. So eventually, write down your 250 names. Pero for now, at least for today, sulat mo na yung top 20. Okay. So, ito yung pinakamalaking tip when you wanna write your prospect list. Don't judge people. Okay, so a lot of people will judge. Si ganito, wag na kasi mayaman na to. Si ganito, ayaw niya na networking. Si ganito, ayaw niya ng product. Si ganito, busy to. Diba? Parang si ganito, estudyante pa to. Pero imagine, kung meron kang kilalang student, baka nga hindi mo i-invite yan. Tama? Sabihin mo na, student yan, busy yan, whatever. Ako, I was a student. Buti na lang, na-invite ako. Buti na lang, hindi nag-judge si mentor na, student to, wag na to. Busy to. Foreigner to. Wala tong kilala
Recording
rito.
stopped.
Introvert to. Diba? Hindi, in-invite lang niya ako.
Recording in
Right?
progress.
Malay ko ba na ako yung eventually mag-iisa sa top earner? Hindi ko rin naman alam eh. Hindi rin niya alam. Sabi nagtanong sa akin once, sabi na mentor, gusto ko kasi sigurado. Pag nag-invite ako, sigurado. Sabi ko, wala pong sigurado sa buhay. Lalo na, hindi mo alam, in 15 years of me doing sana, I can never tell until now. And you can never ever tell sino ang magsasign up at talagang gagawin na. You can never. Right? Pwedeng akala mo, ang ganda ng market, pero hindi pala maganda yung attitude. Hindi pa pwedeng ganon. Right? So, hindi mo alam sino talaga gagawa. So, your job is not to judge. Your job is just to share. Okay. Huwag mo rin isipin muna kung mag-join na hindi. Mag-invite ka lang. Sa 15 years ko, wala pa nagsabing pangit ang Usana. May magsasabi mong pangit ang product. Wala. May magsasabi mong pangit ang negosyo, hindi yan nag-work. Hindi. Ang dami ng kumita eh. Alam niyo ba, Usana Philippines is the top 15 retail company in the Philippines. Hindi lang direct selling top 15 retail companies. Sama dyan ng Ayala, Pisco, yung mga, di ba, dami na mga companies out there, Shopwise, SM, ganyan. Top 15 po tayo. Ganong kalupit. Wala pang commercials yan. Right? That's how effective the system is. Diba? So when someone asks, bakit ganyan? Bakit left and right? Huwag ka na magtanong, gawin mo na lang muna. Kasi that's too technical of a thing. Para mo tinanong, bakit ang SM ganito tumatakbo? Bibili ka lang naman ng tissue. Pumunta ka na ng SM, bumili ka na ng tissue. Huwag mo na tanongin, bakit ganito ang delivery system nila? Diba? Bakit ganito ang mall nila? Huwag mo na tanongin. Diba? So, when you ask a lot of things to start, it's easier when you just do it and then you'll figure kaya. So, invite as many people as you can. And ang isipin natin ganito, huwag mo isipin ilan yung ipapajoin mo. Isipin mo ilan yung pwede mag-benefit. Diba isipin nyo, ilan sa mga kilala mo pwede mag-benefit na gusto ng magandang skin. Kasi promise, pag tinake mo yung Proflavanol, Cellsential, Cepacil, Biomega, Pokinon, in about 6 months, you look 5 years younger. Now, how many of her friends would want to look 5 years younger in the next 6 months? Di ba yung 50 ka pero mukha kang 45? Di ba ang dami? So ngayon nagbabago. Ilan sa mga friends mo yung may sport na ginagawa, nagba-marathon, running, kung naman sport yan. And they would wanna stay fit. Na pag umabot na sila ng 50, nakakasabay sila sa mga 30-year-old. Diba? Sino yun? Diba ang dami? So ngayon, pag inisip mo lang kasi, sino papajoin ko? Para ka nagbebenta lang. Pero inisip mo, sino pwede mag-benefit? Who can benefit from extra 20K per month? Diba ang dami? Imagine, kung mag-earn ka lang ng 20K per month, that's 240 a year. Sagot na niyo sana yung tuition fee ng anak mo sa Ateneo. Tama? Right? Or sagot na niyo sana yung monthly Meralco mo. Di ba lahat ng bills, sagot na niyo sana. Paano kung nag-40,000 pa yun? 2 anak na kaya ng tuition fee sa Ateneo. Right? Paano kung gusto mo ng extra, anong friend mo ng extra 20K, gagawin niya, racket siya. Anong racket? May bebenta siya. Pero yung bebenta rin naman, lagi, nagbabago-bago. Kasi depende sa uso. Ang Usana ba nawawala sa uso? Right? So, ang daming benefits. So, just go for it. Just invite. So your upline's gonna tell you scripts on how to invite. Pero when you make a first prospect list, ito, memory jogger. Diba? People who have money, means, authority, network, and means. Childhood friends. Siguro, di ba top 20? 5 childhood friends. 5 workmates. 5 relatives. Di ba 5 colleagues? Okay na. Di ba sulat niyan? O di meron ka ng top 20 mo and then start inviting. Huwag yung nasa utak lang. Si ganito, si ganyan, ganyan. Kasi your brain is not so smart. Alam niyo ba yon? Your brain is not so smart. Di ba data entry lang naman yan eh. Di ba nangyari na ba yung pumunta ka sa room, meron kang kukunin dapat, pag abot mo sa room, anong gagawin ko dito? Ano nga yun? Nakalimutan. Di ba nangyari na yon? Sino naka-experience na nun? Di ba? Type 6. Di ba? Yung pumunta ka sa room, anong gagawin ko? And that was like 5 seconds ago. You forgot 5 seconds ago. And you're gonna trust your brain with your prospect list. You're gonna trust your brain to memorize everything. Hindi. You have to write it down. Di ba? So, hindi siya yung trip-trip lang. Bakit kailangan magsulat? Talaga may purpose. Okay. So, let's say may kinausap ka ng 3. Hindi pa nag-sign up. Okay lang. May 17 ka pa. Ilan na ba kailangan natin? Diba? 4 lang naman eh. So, why? Okay. So, just keep going for it. And then, you start to invite. Bibigyan ko kayo ng basics lang on inviting. Pero you can ask your uplines din kung paano. Pero basic lang is form. Kausapin mo muna. Huwag yung bigla ka nag-send na ng script. Hey friend, gusto mo ng part-time? Mukha ka nagbebenta. Don't. Form muna. Talk about family, occupation, recreation, and your message. Talk about family. Oh, kamusta na? May story. Diba? And then type something. And then may conversation. Right? And then ask about, kamusta na si Tito? Kamusta na si Tita? Diba? Kung kilala mo, hindi mo na makilala yung parents niya, bigla ka nagtanong. Weird yun. Okay, so common sense lang din, diba? Siyempre, kung kilala mo, tanungin mo. Si Tito, okay naman. Ito, medyo nagka-high blood pressure, pero medyo okay na. So, dun pa lang, kailangan niya ng products. Huwag mong bentahan. Kwentohan lang. Talaga, that's good. Medyo okay na. Alam mo, yung friend ko nga din, yung parents niya, nagkaroon ng ganyan. Tapos binigyan niya ng mga supplements. Nag-take ba yung parents mo ng supplements? Ito kasi from US, super naging effective sa kanya. Baka makatulong din sa parents mo. Kasi hindi ginagamit namin sa bahay. Sa akin, super effective. Wala naman akong sakit, pero gumanda yung tulog ko. Saka yung energy levels ko. Patry mo sa parents mo. So mukha ka ba nagbebenta? Or mukhang, ano yan? Gusto ko yan. Tama? So, dapat curious sila. Important yun. Okay? Don't try to tell them everything. Alam mo, nag-start akong business, ito yung products, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Hindi mo role magkwento ng lahat. Parang friend ko, tinanong ko na isang araw, ano ginagawa mo ngayon? Kasi may story siya na parang may bulldozer or something. Sabi ko, ano yan? Sabi niya, may project kami dito sa Aurora. Okay. Sabi ko, ano yan? Tatayo kayo ng bahay, building, ano ba yan? Sabi niya, hindi hauling ng, hindi ko alam, forgot ko ano exactly, pero hindi naman building. Yung naghuhukay in every safety nun. So, ang sinabi lang naman niya, yung ganun lang. In general lang. Na hindi ganito. Hindi naman sinabi, ito yung negosyo ko, tapos dito yung supplier ko, ito yung pangalan ng company ko, tapos ito yung kinikita, tapos ito yung ganyan, ganito ko nagsimula. Di ba hindi naman? So, pero pag nag-i-use na kasi yung mga tao, may tendency, lahat kinuwento na. So kung gusto ko ngayon, interested ako mag-construction kasama ng friend ko, tanungin ko, bro, pwede ba tayong pwede mo ba ako turuan about that? Kasi gusto ko rin mag-construction. Tama mali. Kasi naging curious ako. Right? Tsaka ako natatanungin yung details. So don't give out all the details. Because they won't attend. And a problem, if you give out all the details, you don't know how to explain. Right? You don't know yet. So pag nakasiguro mga 8 to 10 guests ka na, narinig mo na paulit-ulit, pwede na. Ako, I would tell my friend agad, yun sana, it's okay. Kasi pag sabi niya, yun sana, kung naman objections niya, I know what to answer. Sabihin niya, mga vitamins, pare-pares lang naman yan. I know what to say. Right? Pero if you don't know yet what to say, edi best invite them for a presentation. Inform mo lang muna. Curious lang dapat. Okay. Merong direct approach, konti lang yung pwede mo gawin direct. approach. Hindi mga super close mo, mga 5 lang yan. Yung mga, ayoko mag-attend ka, huwag ka makulit. Pumunta ka. Di ba? Ang pupunta sila. Konti lang yan. So mostly what I do is a third party approach. Ano yung third party? After ng hi, hello, ba, kamusta ka na? Sabihin niya, ito, nag-work, blah, blah, blah. Talaga, tagal mo na dyan, siguro you're doing well, blah, blah, blah. He's gonna ask me anong ginagawa ko. Diba, pwede ko sabihin na, nag-work ako dito, plus nag-start ako ng side business. Pwede naman, side business, tama? So yung side business, mas excited ako doon. Kasi parang nakakapagod na mag-work. So gusto ko, ito okay. Kasi extra 20-30K a month. Diba? Maliit pa siya as of now, pero at least hawak ko yung oras ko. So kailangan ko ng extra, pwede pang lumaki. Kasi I work with a team, so hindi siya magano'ng kahirap. Diba? So, ngayon, kinuwentohan mo lang. Pero narinig niya, 20-30K? Tapos after work, kasi hindi siya ganun kahirap, you work with a team, ano yan? Does that add curiosity? Yes. In-invite ko? Hindi. Pwede siya magsabing, ano yan? Or pwede ba ako dyan? Anong negosyo yan? Diba? Or else, pwedeng hindi ko muna i-invite. Pwedeng after a week or after a couple of days, saka ko i-message, hey bro, sabihin niya kamusta? Sabihin ko, hey bro, naalala mo yung sinasabi kong ginagawa kong sideline. Naghahanap kasi kami ng mga tao pa. Diba? I'm not sure if it's for you, pero maganda yung profit. Or, pwede ko sabihin, bro, naghahanap kami ng mga tao, baka may kilala ka. Right? 20-30K, ganyan. So, ang sasagot lang niya dyan, ano yan? Paano yan? Or, ang worst na pwede sabihin, sige, magtatanong ko. So, there's no rejection. It's a third party. Right? So, ako yun yung ginagamit ko, ginagawa ko. Pero, it has to be personal. Wag yung text blast sa maraming tao. Because the thing with network marketing is it's one person. May connection. Alam mo yung kailangan. Diba? Hindi siya scripted na marketing lang. Okay? Tapos pag nag-join sila, nag-start sila ng Usana, ano next gagawin mo? Pa-attendin mo sila ng training. Tama? That's it. And then paulit-ulit na siya. Wala ka na ibang gagawin. Right? That's it with Usana. So ilan na dapat makausap? As many as possible. At least 4 to 5 a week. Schedule. Diba? Pwede naman 2 sa Tuesday, 2 sa Thursday. Meron ka isa sa Friday. Hindi nakalima ka. Kano katagal ba yun? Isang presentation, maximum na. Usually presentation, 40 minutes. Pero yung tumatagal naman doon yung after. Kung marami pa siyang tanong, convince mo. Diba? Huwag kang mahiya mag-convince. Kasi pag hindi ka nag-convince, mukhang hindi ka sold. Ikaw nag-invite. So kailangan, at the end, sabihin mo, o di ba ang ganda? O di ba ganyan? Kaya nag-start ako. Mag-start ka na. Right? So the opportunity, guys, is huge. The lifestyle later on is gonna be great. And the best of all, pwede mo ipamana. Knock on wood, anything happens to you, pwede mo ipamana. Kasi otherwise, ang work, hindi naman napapamana yan. Diba? Alam mo yung something happens to us, after 2 weeks, papalitan na tayo sa work. Hindi naman nila kukunin yung relative natin. Kukunin nila, ibang tao. Right? So, sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And it's not just something you read. It's something that really happens. Nakita natin. Right? So, start building your passive income. Start working with your upline. Start mastering the Usana business. Diba? You're not just a downline or an associate. Diba? You own the business in your upline. We are just there to guide you kasi nagawa na. Diba? Hindi ka naman hirapan. So, kaya lang din ako mag-start mag-earn. Kasi meron ng system. Kung wala nag-guide sa akin, malamang, wala na ako sa Usana. So, buti na lang may nangulit. Yung upline ko, kinukulit ako mag-attend trainings. Malamang kinukulit din kayo. Attend ka, may training. Paulit-ulit sila send yung poster. Diba? Pero pag ganun, you're lucky na you have a good time. Diba? So, mamaya, diba? Message mo yung upline ko. Wait, thank you. Makulit ka. Right? Kasi pinsa pag wala namang ulit, nakakawalang gana. Diba? So, 2 assignments for today. Write down your goals. Number 2, write down your top 20 prospects na start mo na yun. Okay? And the rest, just enjoy the journey. May process yan. Enjoy it. The ups and downs. Diba? Ganun talaga. Pero you're not gonna do it alone. The whole team is here to help. Okay? So, welcome to you, Sana. Diba? Your journey to success starts now. So, let's start working on it. Okay? So, yun lang for today. Hataw na tayo and have a great week ahead. Diba? Make your first commission, make your second commission. So, make sure may income ka kasi negosyo. Okay? So, yun lang guys. Take care and bye-bye.
Yes,
Recording
thank you so
stopped.
much, mentor.
So much, Mentor Raj, for that very powerful training for today. Grabe, sobrang daming natutunan natin, no? Tita Ermi, tama ba yun?
Yes, Mentor Dios, grabe. Ang daming natutunan natin ngayon. Yun ang kagandahan
Yes.
ng
Right.
ng palaging attend ng mga training, marami tayong makukuha. Back to you, Mentor Dios. So, nawala si Mentor Dios. So, Mentor Sugi, are you open for questions? Hindi ako na, walang sounds. Mentor Dios.
Yes, we can have siguro 2 questions.
Ayan, Mentor, as to unmute. Yan. O yan, so 2 questions lang guys, no? Kasi kailangan nang umalis ni Mentor Raj, no? So syempre napaka-busy, buti binigyan tayo ng time ni Mentor Raj, no? And we are very very lucky na nandito siya sa atin right now kasi madalas no walang time si Mentor, no? So if you have questions right now, this is the perfect time no to ask questions, no? So lalo na yung mga bago, no? Marami dito mga nag-hit din, 'di ba, ng PPPS or ng Premier Platinum Pace Setter. All right? So this is the perfect time to ask questions. And while waiting for that question, no, so gusto ko lang syempre magpasalamat of course no kay Mentor Raj really no for being with us, no. So grabe guys, kung alam nyo lang no, na-awardan lang naman si Mentor Raj no sa Asia Pacific Convention as one of the founding distributors dito sa Philippines, no. So ilan lang sila talaga na inawardan sa stage no to represent almost 10,000 no 10,000 people no na talagang ang mga results sa able to really impact.
Mentor Dios, nawala ka.
Nawala si Mentor Deus ulit. Ayan. But yeah, may question dito, so I'll just answer this one. Meantime, how to upgrade ng BC? Basically, in 6 weeks, ayan, medyo napuputol-putol pa si Mentor Deus.
This is
So yan. May mentor na puputol ka, Mentor Deus. Mahina internet sa resort na yan.
Mentor Dios, hindi ka namin marinig.
I-mute na natin si Mentor Deus.
Listen.
Di ba gigil si Mentor Deus eh? Di ba sabi hindi, tuloy-tuloy ako, kaya to. Ayun. Hindi natin kinick out si Mentor Deus ha. Nawala lang internet niya. Ayun. So there's this one question lang about the BC. Well, kailangan lang mag 400 points total ang purchase in 6 weeks. So if you join with 300 points, just add another 100 points within 6 weeks, upgraded na. Right? So kailangan lang mag-total ng 400 points ang purchase within the first 6 weeks of your Usana, including your initial order. Right? Yun lang. So kung may confusion, yan, ask your upline about it. Yan. Yeah. Meron passing si Faith. May question. So ito yung second question.
Go ahead, Faith.
Hindi yata siya
Ay,
May question
mentor.
ka ba, Faith?
Good afternoon po. My name is
Hello.
Faith. I'm from Australia po. Kasi you said you're from India. And I have a lot of friends from India po dito sa Australia. I just wanna ask po if like, kasi you have that background po, how can I, sorry, parang i-introduce yung business in that culture? Kung paano po
Well,
yung...
if they're in Australia, and they're Australian citizens, so you can enroll them naman sa Australia. But ano ba? Well, wala namang difference ang Indians versus other cultures. Siguro, ang tip ko lang dyan is show them ano yung benefit nila. Mabilis sila sa, ano makuha ko dyan?
Kasi most of
Parang
them
ganon.
po
It's
vegetarian. Parang,
yeah, so
yeah.
so tell them agad na anong benefit. For example, not more on sales agad. Kasi parang that's too, parang technical lang for them. Parang, okay. Tapos, parang gusto nila yung mabilis na anong meron. Diba? Parang pwede mo sabihin na, I know you're vegetarian, so ano yung meron ka bang tinitik pa for nutrition? Kasi ang Indian food is masarap, yes, vegetarian, pero hindi nutritious. Diba? So hindi siya yung, kasi lahat yan fried na or grilled and parang wala na masyadong nutrition yun.
Yeah.
So maybe just start a conversation. So parang, how come ang daming Indians na may diabetes? How come, diba parang you eat all vegetarian food? Diba parang, pero parang lutong-luto na lahat. So alam mo yung if you wanna just start a conversation, you can start with that. Diba? And then just ask probe na parang, pero uso ba sa India parang do you take supplements? Kwento mo na ako, you take supplements. Itong Usana, have you heard of it? Diba? So don't go in to try to sell Usana agad. Parang create a problem every time and then the solution.
Yes po. Because I just heard that you said lang po na most Indians, they are really sa business, which is that's what I'm looking for. Someone associates talaga na mag-work with me. So how will I know that if I start a conversation na yung like for them, kasi it's really a big malaki po kasi yung nila dito. So
well,
for me, madali.
I think go for sorry. So just go for, if gusto mo diretso business, go for the business approach. Pwede mo sabihin, hey, I'm starting a side business and I'm looking for quality partners. And I thought of you. Do you want to discuss it? Kasi it's the profit is quite big. We can do it online. Pwede natin discuss. So just probe. Diba? Parang effective kasi yung I'm starting a side business, or I have a side business, I'm expanding, I'm looking for quality partners. And ikaw yung naisip ko. So alam mo yung they feel good. Ay parang, talaga? Okay, sige, ano yan? Diba? Parang sabihin mo, sige, let's schedule, let's talk about it. And then let's see if it's something na we can work on. Diba? Kasi malaki, pwede ka magkwento na huge yung market, the nutritional market is huge right now. There's lots of profit to be made. We can have a distributorship. So let's discuss. Open naman yan kung mag-discuss kung ganun yung approach. Alright. Sige. And that approach works din, no? Even kahit dito, kahit saan naman. That works. Alright. So yun. So yun lang. And thank you guys for listening. And have a great week ahead. Hataw tayo. Alright. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Mentor Raj. So back to you, Mentor Diaz. Are you still here?
Yes. All
Okay.
right. So, thank you so much, Mentor Raj, no? So, talaga sobrang dami nating natutunan today, no? And definitely, no, iyan yung mga kailangan nating i-apply, no, in doing Usana business. So, medyo lumabas na ako kasi wala atang signal doon sa loob. Okay, so, today, 'di ba? Teka lang, ipapatong ko lang. Okay, so we've witnessed, 'di ba, yung skills and galing, 'di ba, ni Mentor Raj. So let's actually would just like to uh of course, 'di ba, as ating certificate of appreciation, 'di ba? Meron tayong munting hinanda for Mentor Raj. Ayan. Share lang natin yung screen. Ayan. Nasagot ba yung ano? Sorry nawala ako kanina, no? Nasagot ba yung tanong, sino ba nagtanong? Si Faith? Si Faith ba ang nagtanong?
Faith at saka yung isa
Yan, okay.
mentor.
Actually,
Basta
Mentor
yung
Raj,
una.
yung ano niya, yung Indian friend niya, Malaysian na rin. Parang Malaysian citizen yun, no? Tama ba? Hindi siya makapag-unmute. Ayan, okay.
Yes, mentor. Nagulat na ako kasi mali. I thought she speak Punjabi pero Malaysian ano siya. Medyo naguluhan lang din ako. Which is hindi ko alam na ano pala siya ng Malaysia. Yan po.
Yes. Alright, so let's all open our cameras na guys. Na this is the part na favorite nating lahat. Siyempre magkakaroon na tayo ng Zoom fee. Ayan, okay. Sige, sige.